Hi everyone, it's Eva here, live from Snowflake Summit. And with me today is James Weakley from Onata. Hi James, you've come all the way from Australia.
Yeah, long flight.
Yeah.
I'm really happy to be here though.
That's great. It's really exciting. And James has a really interesting story about what brought him here today and how he came to be in the Snowflake ecosystem. So James, can you share your story?
Yeah, sure. So, I started off as a Snowflake customer a few years ago and used the platform as a administrator for a number of years. But then in the last 18 months or so, have transitioned from being a customer to actually being a vendor, building on Snowflake. So I guess I've experienced both of those worlds now, and this is my first in-person summit as a partner rather than a customer.
Very cool. And I hear you've been doing stuff with Python.
Yeah.
Can you share a bit about what you've built?
Sure, yeah. So I've been on the Python private preview for a few months now, and some of the stuff we're building is still super secret, but I've also had the chance to actually go back to one of my open source projects, which is called Flaker. It's a fake data generator for Snowflake. I blogged about this a couple of years ago. It used to be an external function, but now that we have Python on the platform, I've actually converted it into a Python UDF as part of experimenting with the feature. And so, I've got a blog post I've been working on that's planning to launch as soon as Python goes into public preview. So it's been a lot of fun. My experience of it is it works really well, and very simple to use, and I haven't encountered any problems. So it's been great.
That's great to hear. And what are you excited about here at Summit?
Obviously, data apps is my main topic. So I'll be going along to all those talks. I'm also interested in secure data collaboration as well. So those are my two primary things, and then whatever else I can fit in as well. And it's just going to be great to meet people in person.
Yeah, I think we're all looking forward to having some, face-to-face interactions with people and making the most of this networking opportunity. So speaking of networking, where can people find you, either here or online?
Yeah, so I'll be hanging around the this sort of developers area, Data Superheroes zone of the conference. I won't be here all the time though, so if you do want to specifically meet me, then just look me up on LinkedIn, just James Weakley, and send me a message and I'll be happy to be here at a certain time.
Very cool. So with that, I think that's a wrap. I'm really excited that you've made the long journey here, but also hearing your story, and I think there's going to be way more to come. So yeah, we'll see you here. And for anyone who's watching from a distance, do make sure to connect with James, find out more about the work he's doing, stay tuned for his blog post, but also reach out to him if you do have any specific questions or you want to pick his brain on something. So thank you, James.
Thanks, Eva.
Yeah, and enjoy Summit.
Will do.